In front of me is Redmi Note 14s, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to tap on Apps. Then click on Manage Apps. Click on those three dots at the top right corner and select Other Settings. Finally, it's time to hit Default Apps over here and click on one of those sections you wish to manage, like Browser app. Now click on the one you wish to apply, and when you're ready, go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!